Welcome to Graphic Island tutorial. In this video I'm gonna share with you few logo mockups which looks very attractive and simple, and you can use it in 2K21 to attract more customers. Before proceeding further, let me explain what is mockup. Mockup is something similar word like makeup. I hope everybody heard the word makeup, which is especially used by the women and gave a nice attractive looks to their face. So this way, mockup is a file which is applied to the design and gave a realistic views. So this is not possible for the designers to give the realistic views to their clients without mockup. So mockup helps to make the realistic view. Now here I have selected for different kinds of mockups which will be free to download. I'll tell you from where you can download this. So before that, let me show you what are the mockups I'm gonna share with you. This is the one. Here is another one. Here is another, and this is another. So now how to apply mockup to your design? For that you need to open a transparent logo image. So let me open first my transparent logo image. So first go to file, open, and open your transparent logo. Once you open your transparent logo, now suppose this is the mockup I want to apply my design here. From where you can apply, here you can see your logo here. So to this layer you need to double click twice. A new tab of the mockup will open. Now what I'll do, I'll drag my logo image over this new tab of the mockup. So here is my transparent logo. I'll just drag it to the new mockup page and leave it here. And I'll drag it and make the size bigger like this. And you can mark it from here and unmark this original mockup logo. So you can unmark this. If it is text, you can unmark this. So now here only you can see my logo is present and nothing else in this background. And I'll close it now. Here click on yes and wait for the mockup to be applied. Once the processing is done, you can check your logo. So now let us check how it looks. So this is how my logo looks when I apply the mockup. See, here is where is my original. So here is my this transparent logo, and after applying mockup to the design, here I got this look in a ready-made way. So similarly, I'll apply the design on different mockup. So now this is another mockup. I'll apply design in a similar way. So here replace your logo, double click here, and I'll drag my logo over this new tab of the mockup and leave it here. Just by pressing Alt key, I'm dragging it and making the size bigger from the center like this, and you can place it like this and mark it again, unmark the original logo background and close the tab. Yes, and let's see how it looks with the second kind of mockup. So how it looks after applying the mockup, this is really cool. And now let's check with this one how it looks if I apply the logo. So I'll drag our logo to this new tab of the mockup and drag it again, place it here, mark it, unmark the background, close the tab. Yes. So this is the one look you can see here. This is another look of another mockup. Here is another kind of look, and here is another kind of look. So all looks very attractive. Let me show you from where you can download it. So all the mockups I have shown you here will be available on graphicsfamily.com website. So let me open it. So this is the website Graphics Family, and here all the mockups is available for free download. So let me scroll the page and you can see the different view of the same mockup with different logos. And this is the another one I already showed you. So here also you can see the different look before you download it. This is the another one. This is another one. And this is another one. So you can download all the mockups from this website for completely free. With one click you can download it. So how to download it? For an example, this is the mockup you want to download. So when you will scroll the page, here you will find the option to download. You can see this is free download. Already 4,000 people's downloaded, and just you need to click over this download, and here your download will be started soon. So here you can see your file is downloading. So this file will be download in PSD format, and which can be used by using Photoshop. So hope you like this video.